Your assignments for this week is found in the module labeled F2F, week of March 15th through March 19th. You'll be working on these assignments all week, and they are due by the end of the week. First thing you need to do is click on the first assignment, E1. It says download the PowerPoint, follow the instructions in this video, and then submit the assignment. So when I download the assignment, I click on it, and you will see the assignment come up here in the bottom. Once it's done downloading, you can open the assignment. I'm just waiting for it to download. Okay, you can open the assignment and you will see that it is going to open in a PowerPoint. And the first thing you're going to do is study the transportation in Georgia, Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport, the interstate highway, the deepwater ports, and the railroads, and how they interact to support the exchange of goods and services. And then you're going to explain how these four transportation systems provide jobs for Georgians. So you will click through, and I expect you to read the information. I expect you to click on the image to learn more. You can right click and click hyperlink or open hyperlink, and it will open in a different tab. There will be a video that goes along with this that you can watch the video. Here's one called Road Tripping in Georgia. Let me go back to the PowerPoint, sorry. And then I expect you to answer the questions. You are going to use the information from that video and from that slide to answer these questions. Again, same thing on the next slide. There are interactive slides where you move the check marks to the correct answers. You're going to continue scrolling. It says highlight the text below. Highlight in the text below ways the transportation systems work together. So to highlight, you will scroll over it just like this, and then you will click the highlighter button. I clicked too soon. So you would scroll, click the highlighter button to highlight. Here it says you click on the images to learn more. So again, right click, hyperlink. Fill in the questions. This one says research a job in Georgia directly related to transportation. Use your research to complete the tables below. Insert and type what you research. Okay, again, insert the photo, type what you research. All PowerPoints this week are very, very similar, with the fact that you are going to keep it in edit mode and you are going to complete the instructions that are on each slide. If you have any questions, I am in the classroom. You can ask me questions. But this is independent work for you to be working on this week. Remember, all the information in these slides, you are responsible for knowing. You will have this on the test on the 23rd.